Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Ram 2500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Rugged liner bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and you also have a heated steering wheel. And your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.